Welcome to Moocommerce. In this video, I will guide you on how to add products to your webshop. And in the latter part of the video, I will guide you on how to customize your Moocommerce webshop. Remember that here, we don't need a web designer nor a programmer to set up everything. So what are we waiting for? Let's dive into the first part of the video. If you avail the free trial, this is going to be your dashboard. But if you avail the package plan, you'll have access to our new storefront, which is more convenient and manageable. Let's start off by adding the products. Go to Products, Add New. Product data is where the majority of important data to add to your products. For example, the price, the tax. So here, there are two types of pricing. First is the regular price and the sale price. And the upper part is the product data. You can select if you're going to add a simple product, group product, or external, affiliate, and variable products. And alongside with that, there are other options like inventory, shipping, link products, attribute, and advance. So let's focus first in the general. Let's say you're going to add a price. I'm also going to try putting sale to the product. So this is the retail price, the regular price, and I can set up the sale. So for example, the sale will start at this date up to this date. Next one is inventory. This is really important. This is where you put the amount of products that you have. There you will be able to manage all your stock. Just in case it ran out of stock, let's just notify the customer. It's just a sample weight and dimension. And then here you can put if you wanted to upsell or cross-sell your products. And the next one is the attributes. Since this one is a cosmetic brand, I don't have to put any attributes here. Here you can add a note once they added the product to their cart. You can also choose if you're selling a digital products or a downloadable one. And the next one is the shipping. So Moocommerce is powered by VIPs. So let's check the VIPs settings. Like almost done, there are no fees using VIPs when shopping online. And after that, you have to put the attributes. And this is the most important part, which is adding description to your product. You have to put an excerpt. This typically appears to the next product imagery on the listing page. And the long description appears in the product description tab. You have to put the name of your product here. It's better to optimize the description of your product so it will be available in the search engine. This one is a short description. This is also important. You have to put all the necessary description of the product. So we're almost done, but of course we're gonna add our product image. So here, once you upload it, you can put something like caption to what is this image all about, and then there's a URL there that you can copy. So I just uploaded two product image for my product. And there are three types of product image that you can add. First is a single product image. It's main or featured image in your individual product. And the second one is a catalog image. This one is a medium-sized image appearing in the product loops such as shop page, product categories pages, and related products. And the last one is the product thumbnails. This is the smallest image used in the cart, widgets, gallery thumbnails underneath a single product image. Next, we need to categorize our product. So this one is beauty. Next one is a product keyword. So put all the related keyword here, just like in the product tags, and separate it with comma. And also we have a Moocommerce settings. You can take advantage of this to customize it more. So I wanted to publish this, but I'm so curious what it looks like. So let me check it first. Let's click on the link again with a permalink. Oh, you can actually customize the link there. Now this is what it looks like. As you can see, it appears the tags that I put there, description, and stock item. Now we're down to the last part, which is publishing. If everything is okay, you can make this as a featured product and then click OK and then publish. And now this is a preview of our product. So we have to change some of the colors here, but we're going to do that later in the Moocommerce design. And let's try to add to cart this one. So there you go, it's in my cart now, and you can also put the product code, or if you have a voucher code. It is really simple and easy. And if you want to know more about adding more products, categories or group products, then stay tuned for our next video.